Alright guys, we're back. Like I said, we had 2 boxes, but I was going to split it up into 2 videos, so here's the second video. Alright, you ready for box number 2? This one also coming out of Pittsburgh. Who knows if they're from the same case, maybe, possibly, probably. These ones I'm just going to take out as well. So there's the left side. There's the right side. Start with the right side again. That pack opened weird, but it opened quick. Alright. Gateway. Juggernaut, another X23. Oh, is that the pink already? Has to be. And the gold behind it? No, it's not. But that's gold. That's his gold. That's definitely gold.
Yes.
And that's a nice Cyclops. Alright, gold in the first pack. And a pretty nice Cyclops. High series. We pulled the comic cut on that in our first video.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not exactly that, but it looks like it. Maybe it is. Another Gambit. That's shiny or just how the card? Yeah, just his card. Firestar. There's the first Grandiose. Wow, imagine. Forge. And random. It could have been anyone. Took a long time to see. So I already got one of the, at least 2 Grandiose. Seems you want only 2, and when you get only 2, you get better stuff. What it seems like. Colossus-ish, like little Polaris. armor. Boom, boom. And already the second grandiose. I don't know, just based on that armor.
No idea.
Phantom X. And Mr. Sinister. Well, there goes the suspense in the purples. That was quick. First 3 packs, right? Why can't every pack open like that? Sabertooth, Multiple Man, Jubilee, nice Magneto. Oh, we got an arc weld. Who's it gonna be? Iceman.
Oh, that's not
Not bad. Not bad, not bad. And you got a nice pyro. But nice. An arc weld, okay. See that up. Nice little hit. Still got a lot of packs to go. Considering what's considered a lot of packs. And the next in a Metal Universe box. And all from the right side.
so far,
We didn't shuffle or anything. Elixir, Strife, Thunderbird, Sunspot. Is that gold?
Underneath, what is it?
Thunderbird.
Oh, it looks gold to me.
Yeah,
Turn it
it's
around.
definitely gold. Yeah, it's definitely gold. Oh, nice beast. Oh yeah, we still have the pink parallel we need to get. So hopefully that's a good one. Another gold and pink parallel and the palladium. But it'd be interesting to see if anything comes out of this side. And if so, if anything comes out of the other side. If anything else comes out of this side, and if so, if anything else, what comes out of the other side? What's left really? What's that? Is that just pink Psylocke? Yeah, she got us last time too. Sunfire. Is that gold? Yeah, that's probably. I don't know. That one I really can't tell. There's the first husk. What do you think? It's definitely. We have the base, so we can definitely go look at it, but I think that's gold. Well, we'll find out. So we'll put that there for now. maybe. All right, first pack from the left side. No, did not shuffle. Warlock, Sentinels, Master Mold. I think that might be our first one as well. Kitty Pride. Ooh, we got a blast furnace.
Oh, wow.
What's it gonna be? We got a blast furnace.
Deadpool.
Yeah, right.
Ooh.
Phoenix, cool.
Oh.
All right. Blast Furnace Phoenix. Followed up by Ultimate Wolverine. All right, so.
I'm not gonna go down here.
What's that?
We're refusing to go in.
Just
There it goes.
trying my little. Let's see, these blast furnace cards are cool.
Oh, that's not. There you go.
Well, I think we all remember what happened last time we pulled a blast furnace in an arc well. And if you want to see that, go to Dave and Adam's Card World. Look for the random. No, it wasn't random. It was
Those when we
Breaks
had
with
our
Pete,
rumbles.
yeah.
So fun Friday night, breaks with Pete.
So yeah, you kind of gotta look for it. Maybe they'll make it a shorter video. Oh, okay, there's an eye boy. So we'll find out. Pyro. Beast that everyone tricks everyone. Husk. See, we haven't gotten a husk, and now we got 2 husks. Cyclops. Another gold. That's definitely gold. Emma Frost. And then that's that eye boy. So
then he's not gold.
yeah, it
Or was he?
has to be. Totally is.
Weird. 4 gold.
4 golds, but 2 hits. Usually you get a lot of consolation golds and
Grandiose.
yeah. So maybe they think that these aren't hits and we got some more consolation grandiose. Still gotta get the pink. Still got that coming and the palladium.
Oh, yeah.
Oops, sorry. Sage. Dark. Phoenix. There's no? Havoc. There's the Palladium. Jubilee. How funny. That's fitting. And a nice angel. I knew something was gonna happen with Jubilee. I knew
You
it.
don't see her very much. So cool.
We were just watching something about that Jubilee, the right Jubilee. So that's okay. So there's the Palladium. So
What's left? Pink.
pink is the only thing that's supposed to be left. Anything else is a bonus. Your favorite arcade. Got 2 packs after this. Oh good, we got the cipher so we can't be tricked by it. Copycat. Iceman. Uh-oh. Did we go precious metal gems hunting and find one? Oh, definitely. There it is, precious metal gem.
Wow.
Right there.
Magneto's daughter.
All right. 91 out of 100. Leave that up. And everyone's favorite arcade. Well, you know what happens when they pull precious metal gems? They usually pull another one. Ours is done, so decent box. So far with 2 packs left. If that was the grand finale. We've been precious metal gems hunting. And it was cool that we got the cipher first.
Yeah.
And not in the pack. Alright. Still need that pink. There's the Psylocke, so we can't get full. Blink. What's that? Oh. Getting confused with the Star Wars card.
Amazing.
Same with that. Alright. So either we missed the pink or the pink's in here, or they didn't give us a pink. But they gave us a lot of other stuff, so. Might have, okay. But and this was the last pack. I wish it was the first. Here we go. Havoc, Warpath, Banshee, Stepford Cuckoo, Sebastian Shaw, and Exodus. So either they didn't get a pink or they felt they gave us enough. All right, guys, we're back. So let's recap the hits. I like to put what I think is the best hit here on the popcorn so it stays here the whole time. So that's going to be this precious metal gem. a Polaris. And red precious metal gems go to 50. I'm sorry, 100. So, and you're either going to get a red precious metal gem or a pink parallel on average. So I think in the video we're like looking for the pink, but we didn't get one because we got a red precious metal gem. All right, so let's run through the rest of the hits. So we got a blast furnace of Phoenix. Again, these are not numbered, but they're short print, I guess. So you can get some really good characters of these. And this is the other thing you can get that's also not numbered, but they're really nice cards. This is an arc weld. We got Iceman here. And again, not numbered. That's just the card number. But these are sweet cards. And then the Palladium, pretty good. Jubilee. Again, that is not a serial number. It's not a numbered card. There's just 50 of these Palladium characters. Then we got the Grandiose, or what people call purple sometimes. Get 2 per box. Phantom X. Low series. I know I keep messing that up, but you can tell right away. And then we got a high series Forge. And then the golds, you got a high series Thunderbird. You got a high series iBoy. And a low series Bedlam. Kind of looks like a Jedi. And a low series Emma Frost. So, not a bad box. I mean, not a bad box at all. I mean, especially with the blast furnace, the arc weld, and the precious metal gem. So, all right, so blessed. See you in the next one.